Hello there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Do you find watering your plants to be more of a chore than a pleasure? It shouldn't be that way. It's time for an upgrade. This Grace in August metal indoor watering can is the perfect tool to keep your house plants healthy and hydrated, but to do so beautifully. It has a generous 51-ounce capacity, so you'll need fewer refills. It's modern. I love the oval shape because it's functional, but it also adds a decorative touch. The design I have is the hummingbird sage color, and they even include a misting water bottle. So with the watering can and the misting water bottle, you can take care of a wide variety of plants in your home. So what am I loving about this watering can? Well, first, it's the long gooseneck curved spout because it has precise pouring, which is ideal for reaching all my hard to access plants or flowers in vases. It's the perfect watering can for precision. It's also rust-free and leak-free. So it's crafted from a lightweight and durable stainless steel, and it's built to last. No leaks during use. So I easily get every last drop of water in my plants and not all over my floor. Plus, it's simply adorable. And that is my point of view.